Hello again, YouTubers. Welcome to the third video about the front timing case cover for the 1200 GS. So this video is looking a bit more at reinstalling your front timing chain cover and why you're going to need a special tool for putting the seal in here. The reason is that there is no end stop in there, so if you put the seal in here first, it could pop straight out through the other side. Well, okay, you make sure it won't do that, but it's then a right fiddle if you've got this all gooed up with sealant to then get it reinstalled on the engine. So the advice is get this on the engine first with fresh sealant, having cleaned off all the old stuff, which I'm about to do on this. Choice of sealant, there's the dry bond, which I had from working on my C1 years ago. I think it's in still good order, not sure, so I might use that. Otherwise, what I got for the first time round of this, because this is actually the second time I've removed the case, is the 3-bond liquid gasket black, and that seemed to do a pretty good job. I thought I could get this all back together first time around without using the special bearing installation tool, but actually you do need the bearing installation tool, because yes, when this is back on the bike and you come to install the bearing in here, the seal in there, seal, not bearing. I did get it in, but it wasn't in square, and it went slightly beyond, so it was no longer flush with this front cover. I don't think it was going to be disastrous, but the only way you can get it in absolutely square and flush is with the special tool that BMW say they can sell you, but I ordered one, and 5 weeks later BMW Wolverhampton saying, oh no, we can't get it. So my son ended up having the tool made for me. The dimensions are available on the Haynes manual. I'll talk more about this in my next video, but just to say that's the tool that goes on the crankshaft and helps you slip the seal in place and get it square and flush, which is tricky. So there we go, the tool makes it easy, and it wasn't expensive to get that made up. I can talk you, as I say, more through that on the next video. Okay, bye for now.